In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows cannot be installed to Disk 0 Partition 1. First method is using Windows Disk Management tool. Before modifying partitions, always back up your important files. This helps avoid accidental data loss if something goes wrong. Press the Start button and right-click on Computer. From the context menu, select Manage. Under the Computer Management window, click on Disk Management. In the Disk Management, you will see a list of your partitions. To delete partition, left-click on the partition you want to remove. Then, click on the Drive Options link and select Delete Volume. You will be prompted with a warning. Just confirm that you want to delete it. After that, you should see an unallocated space. The drive will no longer have partitions and you can proceed to install Windows on it. Just click Next and the installation will format the unallocated space and begin to setting up the system. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.